Okay, this is Nifty 50 and I am updating it because of the price action. Otherwise, I would have waited for 3 4 days. And see, when I look at a daily chart of Nifty 50, I see a count like this: one, two, and this is three, four, and I am expecting a wave five. Okay, now in this, the basic rule in wave theory is that the wave four should not come within the price action of the first wave. Okay, if the wave starts from here, one, two, three, four, and five. So this has not come within the price action of the first wave. But the problem, so this theory is right now holding on a daily chart. But when I change the scale, say I change the scale to an hourly chart. So when I change the scale from an hourly chart, I see a different story. Now this will be this is the start. One, two, three. So this is the first wave. And the fourth wave has breached the price action of the first wave. When I look into the hourly chart, and I see a third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. So whether all five waves are over here, and this is a new wave, one, two, three, four, and five. See, every time there's a decline, five wave decline, you will have ABC corrections. Whether there's a five wave move up, again there will be a correction. Okay, so if this is the first wave, then we will have A, B, and C corrections. And if this is a correction, then we will have this is wave A, and we'll have wave B and C, something like this. So if this is say wave 4, then we will have wave. This will be wave A. Just make it simple. So if this is wave 4, then we will have wave B, and we will have wave C. Okay, if this is wave 4. But when I look into the price action on an hourly chart, I see that the wave 4 has already breached the price action of the first wave. But on a daily chart, it's a different story. When I look into a daily chart, there's a different story. You see, in a daily chart, I don't see a breach. If I take the waves from this point, one, two, three, like this, one, two, and three, I don't see a breach on a daily chart. But on a hourly chart, I see a clear breach of the price action, and the fourth wave coming within the price action of the first wave, and that is a problem. So now I instead of an hourly chart, I go into a 5 minute chart, and in Nifty 50, I would say that once it has breached this price action, then the five wave move should be over. That is one way of looking at it. One, two, three, A, B, C, four, and five. So the third wave would end here, and fourth wave would end here, and the fifth wave is a truncation. You see, whenever the third wave is very swift, the fifth wave truncates. It does not go beyond the third wave. The small wave, wave 5, and that would be the end of five wave decline. So this is what I see on a lower time frames. Okay, But when I go to a higher time frame, I don't see this. But this wave count, wave theory also talks about alternative wave counts. It says that if you have a wave count, so how the market is going to behave, you don't know. It's just a kind of a small prediction you make. And one should always be prepared with an alternative wave count. So, in case your wave count is wrong, or in case something is wrong, something out of the blue happens, then instead of damaging your trade, it is better to switch to a new trade. It's like you are riding a horse. The example which they give in the book is like if you are riding a horse and there's something wrong with the horse. So what you do is you just jump over to the other horse, the one which is running at the side. The side one would be the alternative wave count. Okay. So that is why I'm keeping this as an alternative wave count. On a daily chart, I see this as a fourth wave corrections, but on an hourly chart and on a lower time frame, I see a five wave move getting over. Okay, so if the five wave move is up, then which move is this? Then can I say this is an independent one wave? Yes, I can say that. So this is an alternative count which I'm talking about. Okay, one, two, three, four, and five. So this is also a five wave move up. And whenever we have a five wave move up, we are going to have a ABC correction. A, B, and C corrections. And I see triangles forming on the fifth wave. One, two, three, four, and five. So more or less the fifth wave is over. So it is the end of the wave. Okay. So tomorrow, the price action tomorrow will determine as to whether this five wave move is up and a new wave has started and we are into corrections ABC, or whether the daily chart on which there is still you know a chance that a fifth wave is left, that will only come to know tomorrow. Okay, that we will only come to know tomorrow. So once the whatever is the price action tomorrow, we'll come to know whether, see, it is going to be a correction, ABC correction. There will be a fall tomorrow. Now whether the fall will be a major one or a minor fall, and a wave will go up, you know that will, I mean, tomorrow the price action will conclude that part. So there's a big difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'm updating this chart because the wave count, this price action, this fourth wave price action has really, kind of amazed me. I mean, so this has basically forced me to switch to the other horse. So one, two, three, four, and five. Five wave move is up. So tomorrow there will be a small fall. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. And if this is a fourth wave, as per the daily chart is concerned, then we will have a major correction like this. A, I will take this as A wave, and then there will be a B wave, and there will be a C wave, and then we will have a five wave decline here. Last wave. So this is on a higher time frame. One, two, three, four, and five. But on a smaller time frame, things are different. On an hourly time frame, if I see it, I see a breach I see wave 4 coming within the price action of the first wave, and therefore that negates this wave as a fourth wave. Okay, so this is an alternative count which I am having in my mind: one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I see that all five waves are over by here, and this is an independent five wave move up, probably part of the wave 1. 1, 2, and this is a new wave, something like that. Take care, all the best. I will be updating this video on Sunday now. Okay, so that will be 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd. I will not be here, so I'll be. I'm going out basically. So I'll be updating this video after period of 4 5 days. Okay, all the best.